Alright, so we got the Skyline in the garage. The RB25 is pretty much all put together. And I've got the cherry picker here. So you know what that means. The RB20 is getting pulled tonight. Before I forget to mention it, I got this GTS badge custom made for my car. As far as I know, this is the only one in existence. So that's kind of cool. But yeah, the Skyline was my daily driver, but obviously now it's gonna sit until they get the engine swap done. But at least I still have the MR2. I haven't forgotten about it. I'm just trying to focus on the Skyline right now. I got super dirty again. Should be fun driving this thing around again. So the MR2 was my daily driver for the past 3 years until I finished my red AW11 Gen 4, and then I got the Skyline, and that's why this car has been sitting for so long. But anyways, we're gonna get started and pulling the RB20 out. So I always start out with unplugging the wiring harness, draining fluids, pulling the radiator, and I'm gonna have to pull the front bumper off too. On my car, having the front bumper off makes draining fluids a lot easier, just because it's a little too low in the front. Alright, so I got the harness disconnected. I got the radiator out, all the coolant hoses off, power steering, AC, and drive shaft, and shifter. So everything's disconnected, it's ready to pull out. And I got this Harbor Freight load leveler. This, you just crank it and you can position where you want to put the load at. And since this engine is so long, it's a straight 6 with the transmission, we're gonna have to tilt it like this just to get it out to clear the core support. So let's get the cherry picker hooked up and pull it out. And, yeah.
Nice.
Oh, is that stuck on that?
Is it stuck on?
This clip right here.
There it is, it's coming out.
It's not caught anything, is it? Oh man, bunch of coolant. Oh my god.
How about you drained it?
Wow.
Look at all the coolant. That's so wonderful.
I guess I should have drained the block. Oh my god, that is a mess. Oh, is it hitting the tunnel?
This is how you pull it.
I think I had to tilt it a little bit.
Yeah, tilt it and you probably start pulling it up.
I gotta go down tiny. Oh man. Careful. Which way do you turn this? So it should be coming more forward.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, cheap.
Cheap shit.
Look at that. This thing is cheap.
Harbor Freight, you know.
Okay, let's try that. Dang, look at all this coolant.
All kinds of catching a little bit.
Here we go. Nothing's connected.
You look good. Go ahead.
Okay.
Go up more.
Go up.
Yeah. Like that.
There we go.
Start pulling it now. More.
Up.
Down.
Alright, so the RB20 is out. It was actually way easier to pull out than I thought. Because, you know, there's a lot of room in the engine bay to pull it out. But, yeah, next time we're going to want to drain the block too. Because I drained only the radiator. So you won't make this huge mess here. So I got to clean that up. So yeah, next time we're going to be prepping the engine bay for paint. I mean, take a look at that. It's got 25 years of JDM grease. So, yeah, I'll see you guys next time.